Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and this is our Power and Conflict Poetry Anthology Revision cheat sheet that you all can use in preparation for your English Literature exams taking place this Monday. Now, the first two poems we wanted to talk about is War Photographer and Remains. Now, personally, these are two of my favorite poems from the cluster, and if we look at it in further detail, we can look at some of the key differences, similarities, etc. And as you can see from the table, I just wanted to elaborate and talk about it in further detail. Now, the point, as you can see, all the points, assessment objective 1, so AO1, I will highlight in blue. You can see the commentary. AO1, also for evidence, you need to find evidence and remember to use it. Analysis, AO2, and your link is AO3. So just to go over it very quickly, what are the key things or the key points you need to remember? So in War Photographer, the poet of War Photographer uses sibilance or alliteration and a metaphor. And in Remains, the poet of Remains also uses alliteration. So that's one thing that we pick out and identify straight away. So they both use alliteration, and that's a common technique used by both poets. Now, you may ask, hang on, where's the evidence? Where's the proof? Where's the proof? Spools of suffering. Okay, let's do it in green. Okay, spools of suffering. I'm sure you'd remember this quote. Spools of suffering set out in ordered rows, and for Remains every round as it rips through his life. Okay, round rips, as you can see, spools of suffering, the S sibilance. Now, the analysis of that quote, okay, the use of sibilance highlights this image, which creates a suggestion of graves or bodies in ordered rows. There's also a contrast in this image, spools of suffering, which seems chaotic yet in ordered rows. And for Remains, the harsh R sound reflects the violence of the image. It portrays his memory more vividly as it seems to bring it to life through its sound. So these are great analysis points for you to make in your answer if you get something like this in the exam. And finally, your link. Both poets use alliterative effects to create a sense of panic and disorder and to highlight the violence of war and conflict. So this is just to show you an insight of this cheat sheet that you can use for War Photographer and Remains. It's something that's easy for you to learn and memorize, even if you're watching it the night before the exam. This is something simple and it's simplified to make it easy for you to understand. Now, that is it for today's video. So if you did enjoy this video, short and simple, straight to the point. If you did enjoy this video, please do give this video a like. Do subscribe and share this video with your friends, as it does help our channel grow. We have plenty of exciting videos and amazing videos on our YouTube channel, including model answers, walkthroughs, cheat sheets, top tips, and plenty more. So do check out our YouTube channel. We've got hundreds of amazing videos to help aid your learning and ultimately make your learning easy. Now, don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms at Easy Education London, on TikTok, on Instagram, and also on YouTube. We are planning to go on YouTube Live, so do tune in and do follow us on all social media platforms to stay up to date. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for more. If you did watch it until the end, please comment Road to 10K. Thank you.